Hey, Jim Starwell here with your McHenry area market update. You're wondering what's going on. Everybody's concerned. Are we in a bubble? We are not. This market has stabilized. That's what happened. I take a look at May 2023. Total number of listings on the market was 153. I'm looking right here at May of 2024. It's 153. It's exactly the same. That's total listings. That includes what's available to purchase and what has a contract already. Active listings right now is 67. In May, it was 23. So the inventory starting to grow. It's become a nice time for buyers can finally get off the fence and purchase a home. New listing count, we're only at 60. Year ago was 82, and pendings are at 87 instead of 98. So we are dropping just a little bit. The frenzy is gone. However, median list price, middle of the road, $374,000. Now, my opinion, I don't have the facts on this one, but I believe that's because we've got a couple new subdivisions out there, and the new homes are selling for a little bit higher price. So, a rising tide lifts all ships. So the average price out in McHenry area right now is $374,070. So the median price per square foot is up to $186 a square foot. If you're curious about what your house is worth, it's pretty simple. If it's a middle of the road house, you think it's pretty average for your neighborhood where it's at, take your square feet of your house, multiply it by 186. So that's going to get you close. So a 2,000 square foot home, I'm just going to do the math in my head. We're probably 360,000. That puts us about at our median price. Go ahead and check that math if you want. I didn't do it. I just did it in my head. So median days on market from 29 to 22. So we are in a fast moving market. Homes with price reductions means they priced it too high. It's 16. It was 16 in February, March. April was 24. May is 16. We are stabilized. It's a good time to get out there and buy. It's a great time to sell. Prices are still at an all-time high. We're not in a bubble. It's not going to drop. It's not going to crash. Hey, if you're interested in buying or selling, give me a call. I'm Jim Starwell, leader of the Star Home Team at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. We're located at 4817 Elm Street in McHenry, Illinois, right across from the Jeep dealer. Give us a call.